There are a few key things you need to do if you want to generate 6 or 7 figures selling RC parts on eBay. First, you need to find a mentor. The mentor should have the experience of having been where you want to go. A mentor can help you learn the ropes so you know you are doing it right. Create a plan to buy your time back by focusing energy on the correct activities. Maybe, the most valuable: avoid making costly mistakes. Making certain mistakes could add months, or even years to you reaching the goals you identified, or even spell complete disaster and be the end for your business. Second, you need to focus on high-value items that will give you the greatest return on the investment of time or money. Look for items that are in high demand and that you can sell for a premium. For example, vehicles that are marked down, limited edition, or in high demand. This includes partnering with a distributor to get parts, kits, and RTR vehicles at wholesale pricing reserved for vendors. Unfortunately, you will often need a location the public can access to qualify as a vendor to sell for most distributors. This can be achieved with a small shop space, or even by renting a room or section of a shared lease of commercial space. Third, you need to build a reputation for being a reliable seller. Make sure you ship items promptly and that they arrive as described and on time. The reviews you will be very important when you go to attempt scaling your business. Most customers use some sort of third-party review site or blog to make a purchase decision online. Finally, you need to provide excellent customer service with every purchase. This is going to reduce the chargebacks and returns. Do this well and you can be sure to increase sales and brand loyalty by creating raving fanatics for your company. Respond to buyer inquiries promptly and help them with any issues they have. Whenever possible, attempt to end the conversation on a positive note by giving your customers what they are looking for or solving a problem they may never have known was holding them back. If you do all of these things, you'll be generating a reliable income from selling parts for remote control vehicles.